This new release has some exciting updates designed to enhance communication and streamline your experience within the system. To help improve communication with customers, you can now send SMS text notifications. We've made improvements to some of your most frequently used CRM features. And it's now easier than ever to manage site audit images and tags. First, you can automate SMS notifications to streamline communication with your customers at no additional cost for standard use. Similar to email notifications, from notification settings within Evolution Admin, you can enable SMS notifications for your organization as well as each branch. Then, within Manage Notifications, you can create new SMS notifications. Simply name the notification and specify the applicable branches, division, service type, service, and trigger type. For now, the type and time cannot be changed, but you'll have more options with future releases. Next, enter the notification text and add any tokens that help communicate important information to your customers. Take note there is a limit of 320 characters. When finished, you can test the notification by entering a valid mobile number. Now keep in mind that your organization is required to comply with SMS messaging laws and regulations. Within a property contact, you can enable SMS notifications. The contact's mobile number will be populated, or you can add the number manually. When you save, the contact will be sent a message to confirm they want to receive SMS messages from your company. They can simply reply Start to confirm the opt-in, and at any time they can reply Stop to opt out. If a contact has not opted in, or if they reply Stop, they won't receive messages. You can check their opt-in status in the contacts list. A yellow yield sign indicates they have not opted in. A green check means they have, and you're all set to send. If a customer tries to reply to your text notification, they'll receive an auto response letting them know the number is not monitored. Next, you can save time with optimized workflows that require up to 50% fewer clicks with the latest CRM improvements. From an opportunity or property details page, you can now create any activity type without leaving the page: new appointments, tasks, issues, and emails. When you create a new appointment, the location will automatically populate based on the location of the associated record. And you can quickly create copies of existing tasks or issues with a simple check and click. This is helpful for recurring tasks such as monthly check-ins with customers. From the company's screen, you can now quickly create new contacts or properties without leaving the page. Next, selecting and managing attachments in Aspire is easier than ever. When uploading, there's a Save button just for attachments, so you don't have to use the main Save button, which directs you away from the current page. And when managing existing attachments, you can quickly search, filter, and sort by name or by column. You can also easily delete or download multiple attachments and choose to expose them to Crew Mobile. When previewing image attachments, the preview is now much larger, and you can easily scroll through all attachments on the record. Now let's go to the Select Attachments screen. By default, you'll have quick and easy access to the attachments that specifically relate to the record you're viewing. However, you can also show and search all attachments in the system. And then, if needed, select additional attachments to add them to the record. Next, let's look at some of the new list enhancements in advanced search. When saving a list, you can now choose to share it with other users and assign view or edit permissions. And if you're a system admin user, you can also define sharing options for specific roles. Saved lists are now grouped to make it easier to identify lists created by you, lists shared with you, or system lists. And when you switch between lists, the Saved List dropdown will remember your most recently selected list, so you don't have to scroll to find it. Lastly, when exporting a list to Excel, you can now choose to export just the current view or all fields. Working with site audits is more streamlined than ever. Now you can save time by uploading multiple images at one time to a category from your phone, tablet, or computer. Quickly marking up photos with shapes, outlines, and text is more intuitive and responsive. Shapes and lines will now appear wherever you click on an image. And there's also an improved color selection tool. When adding tags to images, you no longer need to click the plus button. Simply add your text in the tag field and hit enter. It's that easy. And when you're finished working with an image, you can easily save and upload another one without leaving the screen. As you can see, with this release, you can streamline customer communication with automated SMS notifications, save time with the new CRM features, and easily manage site audit images and tags. If you have any questions, we're always here to help. Thanks for using Aspire.